Title: Exploring healthy and delicious low-calorie American meals. In the picturesque landscape of American cuisine, comfort is often synonymous with flavor. Yet, for those seeking healthier alternatives, the vast tapestry offers a delightful spectrum of meals that are not only satisfying, but also low in calories, ideal for weight loss journeys. Scene 1. The morning sun peeks through the curtains, and our protagonist, Anna, a nutrition enthusiast on her path to healthier living, heads to the kitchen to prepare her first meal of the day. She opts for an American classic with a twist: egg white omelette with spinach and cherry tomatoes. Fluffy egg whites envelop vibrant green spinach leaves and juicy cherry tomatoes, providing a flavorful start bursting with vitamins, minerals, and high protein, all under 150 calories. Scene 2. As the day progresses, Anna's quest for nourishment leads to lunch. She chooses a grilled chicken salad, a quintessential American dish reimagined for calorie-conscious eaters. Tender grilled chicken breasts rest atop a bed of crisp lettuce, adorned with slivers of almonds and juicy slices of apple, finished with a light balsamic dressing. This meal captures the essence of refreshment while remaining comfortably under 350 calories. Scene 3. Afternoon arrives, accompanied by the need to recharge. Anna whips up an American-style Buddha bowl, inviting an array of colorful ingredients to the table. Quinoa forms the base, layered with roasted sweet potatoes, black beans, avocado, and a sprinkle of cilantro. It's a feast for the senses, providing fiber and healthy fats without exceeding 300 calories. Scene 4. With the evening light casting soft shadows across the room, Anna decides on a beloved dinner recipe: salmon with asparagus and lemon. A fillet of salmon, seasoned expertly and baked to perfection, sits beside steamed asparagus, lightly drizzled with lemon juice. It's a dish rich in omega-3s, boasting vibrant flavors for under 400 calories. Scene 5. As the day winds down, Anna craves something sweet yet guilt-free. She revels in the simplicity of her dessert: fresh berry medley with granola and Greek yogurt. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries mingle with a scoop of Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of granola, providing a satisfying conclusion under 200 calories. Each meal Anna experiences not only satisfies the palate, but also embodies a narrative of transformation. Her journey illustrates how embracing low-calorie options doesn't mean compromising taste. These choices highlight how American cuisine can be both flavorful and health-conscious, offering a path that is as delightful as it is nutritious.